Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a case for the Galaxy S21 Ultra. This case is made by Benks. It's the Magic Lollipop. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Okay, so here's the case right here, Magic Lollipop. This is the box. Benks reviewed some cases for the iPhone 12 Pro Max and pretty good cases. And let's go ahead and check out this one here for Android device, the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Let's put it to the side. Now, their cases are, the Lollipop case is very thin, almost paper thin, but feels good. You know, doesn't feel like it's going to tear apart. And you got your openings right here for your charging port and your mic and your speaker grill right there. Nothing on this side. You got your opening for your power button and your volume down rocker. It's all open, and you got a up camera opening right there. It's raised up. That's going to protect the camera, and you got your mic holes up top. All right, so but it's a little bit translucent. You can see through it a little bit, but smoke colored. All right, now let's go ahead and get the device, put it inside, and see what it looks like. Okay, here's the device right here. Let's go ahead and put it inside, see how it feels on the device. So snaps on really nice. Now this is very thin, almost like a skin. It's going to be good. Like if you don't want to put on a D brand and go through all that, this is very thin. It's going to feel nice in your hands. Camera's protected. You can see that right there. You got this border that raised over the camera there, so it's going to be protected. And it just feels nice and thin. It's not slippery either, so you're going to still have some grip, but and scratch protection, but not too bulky. Now the lip is raised up a little bit, so I would be careful there. Make sure you got a screen protector on if you're using this. But it's almost like not using a case at all, particularly for those who don't like using cases. Now I like this. I'm not a big case. I don't like cases, but I use them out of necessity. I don't want to drop the phone and break it. Power button works well. It's all exposed right there. You can see that. And the volume down rocker works well as well. Everything lines up on the bottom. No problem there. You can see that. And the mics up top lines up as well. Okay. So nice matte feel to it, but again, pretty much nothing on the device. Feels like nothing on the device, but you do have scratch protection. You wouldn't drop this or throw this across the room because you never know what's going to happen. Right? This is a tough phone, but you know, not sure how it's going to hold up. But this is a nice case for those who want minimal protection, you know, on your phone, so your phone don't feel bulky. This is good. All right, let's check out wireless charge, which I'm sure going to work. We'll go ahead and check it out anyway. Okay, here's the wireless charger. Let's put this on. All right, so picked up wireless charge, no problem. That's going to work well every time. It's pretty much like a very slim case there. All right, so that was a quick look at the Benks Lollipop case for the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Now, I will put the link in the description for you if you want to get this. Pretty nice case. I recommend it if you want something minimal, that's sleek, and going to give you good scratch protection and without the bulk. All right, now if you got any questions, hit them in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ out.